Hey guys, welcome to unboxing video of TP-Link EAP110 Outdoor. This is a very affordable device. I'm trying to experiment using it for my homestay Areca County. It's supposed to have a range up to 200 meters and support speed up to 300 Mbps. So it's supposed to be waterproof and dustproof, and it includes an PoE adapter. So here's the box which came. I ordered this on Amazon. You can check my affiliate link in the content and you can also order it. So let's start opening it up. Comes in a nice packaging. So they're given how do you configure it and the features of it. Let me open it. It comes with a 3-year warranty as it's mentioned here. Inside there's an installation guide. There's a PoE adapter. So this device works without a separate power adapter. PoE stands for power over Ethernet. So your internet cable itself can power this device up. They have given a separate adapter for this. So if the adapter is not available, many times the devices need an switch which has a PoE support. The sound mounting antennas and device and the cable for the adapter. Some screws for mounting. That's it. The device itself looks pretty tiny and handy, like you can see the size comparison with my hand. And let's fix the antennas. The range of this device is up to 200 meters. That's quite a wide coverage, and it's supposed to be weatherproof. So you could you have a very strong antennas for this, and you can mount this on a pole outside anywhere. So here's a connector. You have to connect the LAN at the bottom of this, and that's it. Like, this also comes with Amada Cloud configuration, can be easily used for small businesses and outdoor businesses like cafes, restaurants, or in fact, as I mentioned earlier, I'm trying to use it for my homestay in a 1-acre land. I'm trying to put up multiple of these such outdoor devices for the cottages. And it also comes with a cloud management solution, comes with a guest Wi-Fi solution, has a Facebook login option, like where your customers can log into Facebook and get access to Wi-Fi. Can also be remotely managed, or there's a hardware level controller also available as an additional device. The price is pretty affordable. Like, I got it for $3299 on Amazon. You can check my affiliate link and order this as well. Thanks for watching.